something completely different, teams made the hour-long trek down to Monterey, where they rotated between kayaking in the bay and visiting the world-famous Monterey Bay Aquarium. To get ready, we learned water safety.
Say this in the water. What does that say? Are you okay? You are okay. You're going to respond with.
And prepared to encounter the wildlife by considering how our perception of the world differed from theirs.
Now open your eyes. What do you see? Without labels, what do you see? That's your umwelt. That's your sensory system, right? That's what you perceive in the world.
You seem unsure of what you just heard.
I am.
There's a reason for that.
Grab your paddle, put one paddle in each hand. The paddle in one hand. Yeah, both of you.
I'm scared!
Oh yeah. Okay.
You're joking!
That was excellent. Good thing the camera was rolling. Nice work, Esme. Very multi-talented. Whoop.
Stop. There. There we go. There we go.
Great.
Next one.
Depending on the vicissitudes of scheduling, some groups had the opportunity to spend some time at the Bechtel Center for some guided study before exploring the aquarium.
What's the S in STEM stand for? Shout it out. Science. What's the T do you think it's difficult?
Because of the air. Because if you go down, you can only go down so much until the air is all pressurized or whatever the heck.
Like their body just starts breaking.
The pressure.
If you go far
She
enough.
said.
The pressure. The pressure. They're gonna crush like a little pancake.
Like it's gonna like explode. The pressure.
Really unusual mollusk. So
There, wonder was afoot, or a flipper, as of course were a few more tiny shenanigans.
Make a jellyfish face.
It's like not.
How's it feel, Jen?
It's slimy, but it's cool.
Maybe.
Okay, you feel that difference between that and the abalone shell?